All right, all right, all right. How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Hello, hello, hello. Testing, testing, one, two, three. Testing, testing, one, two, three. How you guys doing? It's Dr. McLeod talking to you here from the Elite Traders University, and I hope you guys are doing well. We're going live. We're in the middle, the end, finally at the end of our March trading challenge. We had 10 days of trading that I've had with a group of individuals. And so, they paid to be in the trading room with me during Asia session, where we're knocking down pips on the yen pairs, trading during Asia, and just we're just going to have this our final. I'm just decided to make the last day public, so it's streaming public right now. So if you are a subscriber or you're being alerted, this is live right now, and so hopefully you guys are able to join. Hopefully I can see the live chat and see. Yes, thank you, Adrian. Awesome, awesome, very cool. Thank you for that. So I'm going to share my screen, and we'll get started in just a few moments for our live trading challenge, the last day. And we've had 10 days for $97, so it was a really great deal for those of you who missed it. But I decided to give one day for you guys to see what went on and what you can actually learn from it today. So we're going to just go ahead and share my screen and get started with the preliminaries. Insert, let's go to view and the reading view. Let's do that. Share my screen. Share. I've got so many screens, looking for screens in all the right places. Looking for screens in too many places. Okay, and then we're going to share some sound and advance portion of the screen. Share. Okay. All right. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Elite Traders University presentation of our live trading challenge. And don't know what's going on with my background. Maybe okay, switching around there, right? And so we're going to direct you to the risk disclosure on your screen to make sure you understand all the risks associated with foreign exchange trading. And I've been doing this for close to almost 30 years. And in fact, Lee Trace University is in its 10th year. I worked for one of the largest forex brokers in the world. I was a currency analyst, strategist, and a trader coach. And I help traders become professional traders in 90 days or less using my proprietary system. So we're online, and I've developed a pip and run scalping system. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do some scalping during Asia session for about a couple hours. I have an invitation for you too. If you're interested in, maybe even though you missed the 11 days that we have for $97, can you imagine having 30 days, or that 30 won't be like we trade 3 days a week. So 3 days a week, so it's like 12 days. So basically 12 days of trading with me for $97. If you're interested in that, well then stay to the end. I'll give you a link to show you how to go ahead and get involved in that, right? All right. So what we're going to do is let's go ahead and look at I usually start my market heat map. It's an arrangement of currency pairs with percentage change. Tells us what's hopping, what's popping, what's dropping, and what's not in the market. Don't know what's going on with my background. Everything's getting kind of crazy there. And let's see, background. Uh, none. Just none. Okay. I just want no background. Let's use my regular camera. Okay. So anyway, I don't know why it's got that background back there. There's no background. Okay. And we're looking at my market heat map as an arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change. This is the live one, and we got the pound yen in the top position, that top spot, up nearly 0.89%, 195.54, followed by euro yen up 0.85%. The yen pairs are on fire right now, and also the Kiwi yen up 0.62. And what's lagging behind are dollar pairs. The dollar is being with all the uncertainty surrounding and things like that, the dollar has been on the back foot. Not a bad thing because U.S. exporters can export their goods cheaper, and they can also it lowers interest rates too. So it's actually a positive. A lot of people are complaining in the news. This is this, but you know what? Lower interest rates and a weaker dollar are good for the economy. Okay, but I'm not here to give you an economic lesson. Let's trade the markets. Okay, so I'm looking at yen pairs again as favorite. Looks like the Canadian dollar is getting kicked in the nuts too, and that's a technical term there. And so this is what I'm looking at. These are green is an uptrend, red's a downtrend, gray stay away. So we're gonna go with that. I'm gonna check some news. I check CNBC, check what went on in the U.S. session. I didn't trade U.S. session because I was asleep, and it was a bloodbath of red. Stocks futures are a little changed as traders brace for Fed's preferred inflation reading. Okay, so inflation numbers tomorrow, pre-market. Well, tomorrow is Friday, so you'll probably have a little bit of a rally tomorrow. People taking some money off the table. The bears taking some money off the table there, right? And gold still held her over above 3,000. And we have silver above $35 a share, an ounce, right? And then all the basically the dollar pairs are getting creamed right now, right? So let's go ahead and go right to the charts. And I'm going to use TradingView as my chart and trading platform. I'm going to go over to, yeah. Actually, I was looking at the Aussie Swiss, and I've got Aussie, yeah, got Aussie Swiss. I'm kind of looking at that too. It's at the it's kind of bottoming, forming like a little triangle there. I'm gonna put an alarm there. I'm gonna put an alarm maybe at put a trade alert, and this trade alert will go off and see when it gives when it breaks. It will let us know that I am looking at it. I'm keeping my eye on it. Still don't know why my background is. Let me before we get fully deep in it. And let's see who's got Emma is here. Nice to see you in the room. Let me open up the chat for our students here. And I know, and we'll do a quick little recap meeting group chat. Okay. So there we go. Okay. Hi Emma, how you doing? I know this chat's continuing. It says the net says her nerves are shot, and the reason why they're shot. Let me show you why. We're gonna go to JB. That's where we were. And she says, "Hey, doing great, thanks." Okay, awesome, awesome. We also have Adrian over here in the public section over here, and Dirk is here as well. Aloha, you like my shirt? Yeah, actually, it says it's a Caribbean shirt. It says Caribbean, but it's a Hawaiian shirt. I say aloha, right? I I love those shirts. Yeah, I, I tell you, uh, one of my, I don't know if you ever, where is Tony Soprano? They call it the assassin look. The Aloha Republic. He's got a whole line of Hawaiian shirts. I guess he looks happy before you like bump somebody off, right? So more Tony Soprano and like aloha, right? So anyway, there we go. We took a lot of trades in here, and we got a bit of a pullback, and that little pullback is right here. This is what we were in the Asia session. We scalped it up, and then we got in one more time, and then it pulled back, but we held the low. The low held. The low of 47 held. We didn't get there, and I held it right through it. Trend line break. Emphasis just loves it like that. Yeah. We got the assassin look there. Then we had a consolidation around 2230. Then we started lifting off. We went all the way back, right back to our entry. We got right back within an hour. And then look where we are now. That was at, we're at 193, as low as 193.53. And I told you that the average daily range of pound dollar is about 250 pips. Well, guess what? It moved from 193.52 to 195.97, right? So that's 250 pips, right? Roughly, right? So, and we had a number of ways to like figure that out. And then the other day we took it. Why? Because we can look at the trend. The trend is up, right? So that's why I said, well, why did we take it short? Well, yeah, we took it short. We could have got in and out on that short. It was a 40 pip drop, but 40 pips versus 250. Sometimes you have to have a wider stop for pound yen because pound yen is volatile. It's like pound dollar, but it's like, you ever had sushi? You put too much of that green wasabi on it, right? It's like, dude, it's too spicy, right? Well, that's because it's yen. It's like a little Japanese little spicy with wasabi on it, right? It's pound dollar. Pound dollar will probably move like 160, and this will move like 300, right? So the extra yen, the JPY makes it more spicy. Um, so let's see what's going on today. We looked back for those of you, glad to see everyone in the room. Baba Tume's here, and Kenneth and Nanette's here, and also Lisa. Nice to see you as well. And so here we go. Heat map. Look at our friend. Pound yen again, up 0.87%, right? And the heat map will probably reset itself. It'll reset itself at 8 o'clock. Okay, gonna mute. I'll mute you. Okay. Use the chat. And Ken says hello to everybody. Okay, awesome. Nice to have you back, Ken. And here we go. So we got pound yen, euro yen, pound CAD. Sometimes what happens is the setup in Asia session, sometimes we can scalp it like we did. We scalped in and out, and then it'll pull back. But then sometimes we can set up with a trade and hold it over, from Asia into New York. Why? Because we're in a strong trend, right? So we had our Asia session low, and then right now we're here, right? So that is, and we're also sitting back up again, the 30-minute chart. We're coming right back down into the setup mode again. So we can probably see a repeat. Maybe, since it's Friday, it might not go as high, right? But if you don't have the stomach for pound yen, because pound yen and gold and NQ are very volatile, right? A lot of people are addicted to the action, but they don't have the stomach for it. So sometimes we, backing off and trading something a little slower, something that's not so volatile at the top of the heat map, right? That's moving a little bit, maybe not as much, but will still give us a move. All we want is a movement, but it's like playing, it's like flying a kite. You can fly, no wind, kites don't go anywhere, right? But if you are flying a kite in a hurricane, well, then that's gonna be crazy. You're gonna lose your kite, right? But if you find it's a little bit of wind, then it's manageable. And pound yen has a lot of wind. It's a lot of wind. It's a hurricane. So sometimes you can find something a little slower, won't pull back as hard during Asia, and maybe it's Aussie yen. No, Aussie yen. That's pretty great too. 94. Well, 94 to 95 is about 100. If 100 pips is pretty normal. Let's pound Aussie yen telling us over here anything. I'm just going to type it in. AUDJPY. Just find something that's in a range, that's volatile, that's giving you some type of movement. Okay, so this was it's selling off, right? Not selling off. Let's go to 15-second chart, Aussie yen. And that was a nice little decline, but it happened right after the New York session closed. So You probably want to wait for this to rally up, and we get our Fibonacci's, right? We can take our Fibonacci levels from our swing high to swing low, and maybe that will set us up for another short. Oops. If we can get price to come up to this area here, which I'm going to add an alert at the 38% retracement. So if it hits up there, we can probably get a short on. You want to short high, you want to sell high, like Snoop Dogg. You want to sell high, buy low, right? So maybe this will set up for us and give us a move that we can sell the rallies. So this is our demand. There's demand going on right now. I'm on the 15-second chart here, and I'm on the 3-minute here. Well, 3 minutes already tell me this is like falling off, right? But we're getting a rebound. So even though we have a downward movement on the higher time frame, and we're already rallying to, but I think our alarm is going to go off right now. Yep, our alarm just went off. You can't see it, right? Yeah, we just got an alert. So now we're ready. Okay, we're looking for a short. We want to sell rallies. We want to sell high. So let's see how high it goes. Let's see how high. Right, setting up. If it passes, if it goes up to 200, even better. You want to sell as high as you can. We're almost in the exhaustion area. We're already in oversold, overbought. We're in the overbought zone. Overbought zone is here. I can make one though. Oh, we got a red candle break. I'm pulling the trigger. Oh, it's like okay. Small candle, not much. Really want to see some. See, April Fools, huh? A little early for you, April Fools. Right. But this could be our ABC correction or C, and we could restart the uptrend, right? That is possibly something too. Let's go to a higher time frame and see. Our 30 is really up, right? And we had some lots of go shorts there. That might be our low, and maybe that's all the bearishness we were gonna get out of that. Okay. And we can also take a fib from that low to that high, and that'll be 96 trend line break. And okay. Trade settings. Okay. Got a couple of red candles on a break. I'm okay. That see bouncing off the zone there. If we don't break the low and keep going, we might go higher. If we do, we can get to 95.15. Just don't like getting long with our indicator right there. And let's show the 30-minute. Our 30-minute is pretty red. And I'm going to let's go back to value zone on this one. Yeah. I'm actually going to Value zone. I'm going to apply. All right. Didn't. Okay, let's go back. So this is our 5 minute. Our 5 minute is red. Our 15 minute is red. Our 15 second is red. I'm taking the sell. Getting short at 95.07. And I'm going to place our stop 95.22. So that's like a 16 pip stop. And let's see if we can see, we go to like 94.78. And I'm going to get rid of this. Again, I'm short at 95.07. And actually, if we break that high at 95.11, I'd bail. I would bail on this trade, which is only 3 pips, but we might get a higher walk here. So I'm just see if it comes through. Okay, let me make sure you set it to everyone if you're talking over in the group chat. Yeah, still a little wonky. Let's see if we get a drop. We're below the 200, and we've got a lower high. So let's see if we can move on down. And oh, the people are leaving and coming in and leaving and coming in. Yeah, if you're watching on YouTube, I want to say hello to the YouTube family. We're probably going to be a little delayed. Uh, there's a delay in the feed, so you might see the numbers or the charts look a little bit different than yours because I think we're delayed like 13 seconds. I think sometimes we're delayed like a minute. So I might say something to you guys and it might not come through. If you type something, it's instant, but anything that you see on the video is probably delayed. So guess what? That's a good reason to actually join our monthly subscription, which we have our founders are going to be locked in at $97 per month ongoing if they choose. $95.08. Let's see if we can break on down. We'll get my sound effects ready. Many people like the sound effects. I had one person go, "Oh, they're too loud." He's like, "Really? Ah, well, how about turning down your volume, maybe?" I know I like having a little bit of fun while we're trading. I think it's a way of breaking up the monotony. Oh, Fun does say he loves them. All right. Let's do it. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh, I don't think it came through, huh? Yeah. Let's do it. Drop. You need to break that low 95.05. Need to like push it out the window. Come on. That's what we want. We want to drop. So we're sitting right on an old support area right here. 1031 low. And there's stretch all this stuff out. I'm gonna move you back a little bit. We know what you're doing. We want to see, see that we are right there in that same area. Stretch it out. What's going on? I'm just trying to. There you go. Stretch out. Let's keep track of the structure. Lower, high, higher, low, which is bullish, but lower, high, which is bearish. So, what we have? Triangle, which is indecision, right? We have a supply line, and then we have demand. I'll just take recycle, reuse, repurpose. Right along the wicks. Get guy out of the way. See, as we're narrowing up, oh, he's supposed to be green. There we go. Demand, supply, supply and demand equilibrium. Nothing's going on. Sometimes a market maker will go by and say, I'm going to push price down, hit somebody's stop. Ha. And then it'll start dropping, right? Or they could hit the other way, right? There we go. There he goes. Yeah. That's where I really got into Hawaiian shirts because the dealers would come in from, the New York office and come in. And, the guy who had like the big hairy chest, he looked like an assassin. He had like the gold medallion. Hey, anybody got any charts up? Hey, we're taking pound yen down. Greg, are you in? Are you taking it down? Are we taking it down? Yeah, go ahead, get everybody in there. I'm like, all right. I was like, is this is this like the mafia? It's like a racket, Who's got some charts up? Who's got the charts? Greg, you got the charts up? Yes, sir. we're taking dollar yen down today. All right. Like they're telling you they're taking it down. Guess what? They took it down. All right. Oh, we're analyzing. We're using our charts, and no, bunch of guys walking around, bunch of good fellas walking around, going determining where price is going to go. It's all fixed, guys. Where's my Gazzo, man? Gazzo. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, so that was the pullback last night, and I put more. I had some meat on the grill. I put a bunch of meat on the grill, right? So I mean, so I got out. Uh, oh, my euro yen limited out. That's what limited out, right? And then my pound yen limited out too, right? Yeah. Boom, boom. Target hit. And my journey, though, going from being on the other side of the screen like you guys to all of a sudden end up at one of the largest forex broker dealers in the world, it's like It's like a story from like a storybook or something like that from a Hollywood novel, right? It probably wouldn't happen again with AI. It's like nobody's gonna hire anybody because hey, if they got AI doing everything, you know. But I was very, very fortunate to be able to be on the inside and see how this stuff works, right? And that's the basis of mentorship. That's the basis of my course, being able to help people see the market the way they see it. Like I see Kelly's killing it in simulations, like you know, and the net you're doing it, and we just had guy just double his live account, so he graduated. Jimmy, ring the bell for Jimmy. Finished stage 3. All right, watch those wicks because look, we got a wick. You got like a little level of support right there. Double bottom, right? I tell you what, if that bottom breaks, the people who are getting long right now are going to get hurt. So we'll help them out. They want to get out of their trades. It starts moving against them. They need somebody. If no one hits their stop, guess what? They're liable for all the that's in a black swan event where like in 2008 I was on the desk and basically it was straight vertical lines. There was no one on the other side of the market, so you could put a stop right here, but if there's nobody there, your stop doesn't get filled. Just because you put your stop there doesn't mean that it will get filled. Stops are conditional based on someone being on the other side, willing to take it from you. So who's going to take it from you when things are dropping 800,000 pips in a minute? It's like, no. So you get this big long candle dropping down, and but I put my stop in. Like stops are conditional to market conditions, and if there's no one there to take it, then it just keeps going until it finds the next level of liquidity, and maybe way down here somewhere, right? So stops are market orders. When they are touched, they become market orders, and they're filled at the next best available price, which could be thousands of pips away. Now they'll say some brokers say, well, they guarantee stops. It's like, how are you going to guarantee stops in a total meltdown market? You don't have enough money. You don't have. That's what happened when I was on the desk. We had basically everyone was wiped out. Now the brokerage had enough reserves to actually make people whole, but that was like something very nice that FXCM did. But a lot of brokerages say, hey, you lost like everybody else, you're out, right? But we actually made all of our clients whole, well, all of their clients. I'm not there anymore. That's why when you read the disclaimers in the back, if you read all the documentation, and the broker says you could be liable for more money than what you started with, right? Because if there's no one taking you know, you have a margin order, and if this thing keeps dropping, and there's no one going to buy it from you, then you're on the hook for it. If you trade with offshore brokers, they basically limit what you can lose, but in the U.S., they don't have that, and that's one of the reasons why I'm not a big fan of trading with U.S. brokers because they forbid the brokers from protecting their clients, which sounds kind of crazy, but read the fine print. You're liable for unlimited liability. And just direct message me if you need a name of a good. There we go. 7211. We're waiting. This Asia session, it's still a little early. I'm using a 13 and 21 moving average for those of you who are watching. There we go. Prices rallied into the zone. There's an area between Do I have tool? Yeah, I got a crayon. I got a crayon. See this little area in between I call the value zone, right? Between the two moving averages. And usually when price rallies into this zone in a downtrend, we get this rejection, right? So price rallies, that'll be a good pace to sell, right? In an uptrend, well, the two moving averages, the 13 and 21, act as value zones for buying, right? So this rallied into the zone was rejected, like trading bands. And then hopefully we'll see price trickle on down, right? And get rid of that. Oh, all right. Come on back. We'll save your seat. Keep it warm for you. Thanks for letting me know. That's always such a courteous group, you know. I just like walk off and leave you. Like, eh, it's only Greg. No, it's like, here we go. We're rallying back into the zone again. And it's like it's hammering this bottom. I mean, I'm gonna adjust this trend line. Now, if price breaks above that zone and starts stacking the other side, we gotta like know we're wrong, right? And I got my stop in place. It's at 23 and we're short at 08, so it's like a 15 pip stop. If this thing starts running toward it, you know, I might flip and go long. I'm just trying to see if we can get a quick little short on it. Maybe a retest of the low. Maybe pick up 15 pips out of it. It's kind of struggling. And what we could do is we could put an alert there and then let's look at something else. No, trade alert, add alert. Okay. And we put one down below. Sometimes I'll look at something else and come back and it's already gone. It's already take profit's already been hit. And I missed it, you know. I want to catch it on video. So now I've got a little alert. The cross is over, it'll start chiming. Meanwhile, let's see what's going on. Let's see if the good dollar CAD world. And I'm gonna do some 30 minutes looking for love, all the wrong up. Really? I just left you and it's like an alert already. Oh, snap. Woohoo!
Sell, 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 sell.
Retail, you see my timing, you know? Gotta go check something else out here. Wait, take a look at this. Look at that breakout. That's what we want to see. Ah, break even. Come on.
No, no.
38% of trades been 96.96. We broke support. That was a double bottom, or I told you that double bottom. See that double bottom? It broke. And now it's going to test it in the backside. Oh, rejected. Oh. So that was the double bottom, the bottom of the double bottom. Price rallied to it into the zone, right? Not the auto zone. All right. Nanette says, was in traffic jam, so join from my phone. We'll reconnect on my laptop. Okay. You never think about when you think about New Zealand, you don't think about traffic. You think mountains, sheep, more sheep than people. Eh, you know. Oh, that's why she's going in and out. There we go. Look at that trend line break. Stack into it, right? Ah, we try to mellow today, right? Come on. Come on, baby. Ah, woohoo.
All aboard!
There we go. Old low, possible bus stop. Oh, look. I should move it out of the way. Let's remove. Keep going. Forget the line. Just forget it. Drop. If I no, I get 3 pips out of it. Where we go? Oh, actually, we can go down 96. 96. 96 is a good little right there, baby. Come on. 38% retracement. Right, $728 on a 100K lot. 77, it's $72. Not bad. And you've got 0.1 lots, $7. Come on. Missing Jeff. Missing Jeff. Missing, I think Dirk is watching us from YouTube, but he's yeah, guys. If you purchase, it's not auto. You're not gonna be auto build. The auto build didn't work, and I think wanted you guys to get value, see what the service is like. If you want to continue, we can continue for $97. That's fine. Um, if not, then hey, it's been fun, right? Buyers stepping in, thinking maybe at that double bottom came in there, right? Retesting this old double bottom that failed, right? They tried. It'll be 3 days a week: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And ba, 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 ba. And that says how often will we trade? How often will we be trading if we continue? And I need to read the question now because nobody knows what I'm answering. Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and might throw a bonus session here and there. 2 hours, 3 days, 6 hours a week times four, what 24 hours a month for $97. In fact, I'll put the link, copy link. Yeah. Okay, meeting group chat. I don't know why I keep switching back and forth, but that's the link to it if you want to do that, right? And, so, and you can read about all the stuff that's included there as well. I just all right. Let's do it. Let's rally. Let's go. Let's go. Ninety-two 67. We got a double top there. Rejection from that line, right? And the Bulls need to like look. You can't get through. Just give it up. Give it up. Push down. Lower swing highs, lower swing lows. We're making lows. We're below the 200 simple moving average, which is a barometer for bullishness and bearishness. And we're in the corrective side of the market. If you look at the higher time frame chart, we're making higher highs and higher lows. Now we made a lower low, a lower high, and now the bears or they want to come back to that 94, 96 area. And so we're just riding that. We're just riding the waves, riding the surfing the waves. Here we go. Come on down. There we go.
Sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell.
All right. There we go. Oh, wick into supply zone. Come on, break that line. Break it. Break it. Now we have my 3 pips. Was partying too much. Let's go. Big one. Big one. More trend line. I think we're going. Come on. Where are we on the inside day candle? Inside the body of the candle. Usually turns bearish, turn red. It's like I'm on the blackjack table. Hit me. No. Too big. I need a small one. 9503. And so we can put a Fibonacci on the old swing high. It's coming back. 786. Rejection. I'll hit it with one more. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, breakout. Da, 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 da. Breakout. Go, 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 go. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Can I get a whoop whoop?
House of Pleasure.
A little bit more. 96. Come on, baby. We got 98 by 01. A big one. Ah, take it. I'm out. Yeah. I might get it again if we rally back up green. Ooh. 96. Ah. Again. Don't do it. Don't follow me in. Just wait till it turns green, then changes red. There we go. No, no green. Big one, big red one. Ooh, wrong color. Psych. The 96. 96. Hit me. Hit me. Okay. Don't send messages during trading. Okay, we're back in this zone again. See, that's why you want to wait. You want to wait. Oh, test, retest. Come on, hit me. Trend line break, retest of the breakout point, rejection, rejection. He could go all the way. One more push down to the red line here, the 38% retracement of this up move. So it's a 1-to-1 struggling. Buyers are stepping up. You can see lots of lines of support, but they might be a little early. As you can see, our stochastics is pointing straight down on the 30-minute chart. Not soup yet. Not soup yet for longs. We'll be going long shortly, but right now this train is heading south.
All aboard!
Wait. There we go. Hit 94, 98. Move this out of the way. Can't even see it. Okay. 97 by 99. 97 by 96 by 99. Here we go. Here we go. Push. Ooh. I haven't even covered the spread yet. Okay. Come on. 96 by 99. We need this 99 to begin 96. It'll be like 96, 93 by 96. The bid ask, the difference between the bid and the ask, it's like wholesale and retail price. Well, you gotta cover the spread. And I haven't covered the spread yet. Even though my entry was like razor on, right? On the lower time frames, you have to look at it's not that much. It's like 2 pips spread. This is 2 pips. From here to here is 2 pips. Ooh, rallying back into the zone, right? Get another one, right? Flexi's less than 1, right? Yeah, you can make some money on the Aussie yen 1 pip spread. My God, sweet. Yeah, if you need a link to that broker, there you go. That's the Plexi. Okay, took my eye off that. Wow, I get right to the pip right there, right? Okay. See on this thing, it doesn't even say it. 94 by okay. So we're in the hole now. It's like okay. So let's remove that. Put a new fib on it. Take that high, that low, and where are we going? Oh, here at the 618. All right, you want to play? Let's go to the let's go to what 5 seconds, 5 second chart. All right. Ooh, yeah. Climbing at 786. Like we're coming down. Maybe type up another one to another cell. Rally against the downtrend. Hitting the Fibonacci. Oh, 88.6. Broke that, broke that. Okay, we could break the high. Probably not. We get stopped out here. I'm not going to ride this. I mean, this is a 99. It's 3 pips, right? But 15 seconds is still 100%, maybe a double top. And 200 rejection from the 200. Weezer tops, dual wicks, triple. Okay. Oh, and this candle hasn't even moved, right? We got a 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart. We got a reversal candle, and that's probably going to be it for me. We hit that double bottom there. Oh, rejection. Oh, 06. What am I? It seems like we have, they had to gather some sell orders from the up top to take it back down because we haven't tagged this. We haven't tagged it. We haven't made a lower low, and our oscillators are pointing down. The momentum is out of the higher time frame market, but still hugging that 200. It really didn't like that 96 area. It didn't. It tagged the 96 area. I mean, on the ask, but not the bid side. So maybe that was the low that it actually probably touched this on another whatever. But this is probably a bull move. So I'm definitely gonna hold myself to, okay, if it crosses, I'm gonna take the hit and flip and get long. Oh, 07. Need a double top to save this trade. I mean, the line in. Oh, 06. Ooh, pretty red candle. Beautiful, beautiful. I love red. Me gusta el rojo. Looks like we got a double top at the old high, which was this double bottom that failed and price rallied right back to it. So we may get an inverted head and shoulders. I'm losing less money now, which is a good thing. It's like drop. 9503 by '05. A big hello, howdy do to Jeff, who's having dinner on the beach. in the beautiful Dominican Republic. Here we've got some buyers stepping in, long wick. Let's see if our, we want to stay below that high for us to stay in this trade. And we got a trend line break, like say a trend line break color change, not adding any more on. I just want to make us give us an indication that the downtrend continues, so this intermediate downtrend. And actually, if we were to remove this line here, okay, and let's say we took the Fibonacci expansion from the current, because we have a high, we have a low, and we have a secondary high, a lower high. And actually, 94.89 would be a really good target as well. If this were to break the low and keep going, we could get 94.89, which is the 100% expansion. We talked about expansions and flags where we have this A, B, C, right? So our retest of the 96 area will be a flat correction. And if we blow that out, then we could see 94.88. And that's if we can stay below this old swing. And still acting a little bullish there. Big kind of bullish engulfing candle. And then we're stacking a couple of candles there. And if this, where it would stop, if it stopped there when to 94.96, expansion targets 94.92, and the 261.8 expansion is 94.90. So basically it's a zigzag, up, down, zag, zig, zag, right? You have a new candle, and time is 8 o'clock. The 8 o'clock candle. Sometimes we get a run at 20:00 military time, 8 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time. We might be set for our 8 o'clock run, where it seems like the currency is running one direction. 9 o'clock in Tokyo. There we go. Let's go. Back at 95.03, 01 by 03. And look, we hit the 100% expansion, the A, B, C expansion. I can diagram that out for you very quickly. A, B, C, right? Now, I would prefer for it to see you later, right? And that B area is where our ideal trade entries usually happen. So anytime we really had this trend line broke right here, and that was our perfect entry zone right there. And we're back at this level of support. This line What is this? 9500. Whole number, round number support, right? So it's bouncing off the 00. That's at 01. Testing the value zone. Typical first target was 9500, and it hit it exactly. Next target, 9485. And then the 1.61 expansion, 9496. If this thing starts running like the 8 o'clock run, it could run through these targets very quickly. But like any old bus, it makes little bus stops along the way, right? So it goes down here and rallies a little bit, picks up some more passengers. Hey, let's go for a trip down south. All righty then. Let's pick up some passengers. On the 15-second chart, you can see all this going on. If you're looking at the 30 minutes, you're like, what's Greg talking about? It's interesting, but I really don't see it. You just got to look at my screen, right? Here we go. Trend line break. I'm already in it for 4 mil. I got 4 mil on it, so I'm not going to put any more on it. I just need to break 94.99 for me to be at break even. If I were putting new money in, this will be my entry right here, and then my stop above the high. Look at that. Woohoo! Really? It took me that much to become break even, and then it just went back red again, right? It's okay. Not soup yet. 8 o'clock run. I think that 8 o'clock run is a pretty good, if you got in at the 8 o'clock, like like 1 minute, like 7:59, and seems like everything just goes nuts at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock Eastern time, which is midnight London. Midnight, I think London and GMT are the same. Okay, finally. Let's go. Ah, 94.97 by 99. We need 89. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. Feel like Family Feud. Good answer. Good answer. Go down. You're going the wrong way now. All right. It goes down, hits a target, picks up some more passengers into this sell zone here, in that little sell zone, trend line break. Come on. All right. How you like my drawing? What do you give me on my drawing on scale 1 to 10? Maybe we need a little help.
House of Pain.
I don't think it liked any of my sound effects. And it's stacking into tall green candles into the zone there. Oh, no, 15 second. Keep that with 15 second. I want to see what's going on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart should be we're the same, make sure we're on the right same currency, right? Yep. One time I had wrong currency on one thing, I'm looking at the other. I'm like going, wow, why am I losing money? I'm looking at the wrong chart, right? The chart I'm looking at is going down, but I placed my trade on another currency. I mean, this thing is really, there we go. Trend line break. So he goes up, picks up some more people. Okay, let's go. Bus can leave now. Okay. $95.02 by 04. You're with myself, Dr. Greg McLeod, the one and only in our March Madness Trading Challenge. It's so good to be with you. Been here with you for what, the 10, 11 days now. Where's the time go? You guys are having fun. You guys are learning something. Hopefully you're making some money. This is Asia session, and it's a little bit different than New York or London session. It's a little slower. You wouldn't tell by trading yen pairs, right? And that's such a great experience, learning a ton. Oh, thank you so much. That's awesome. Yeah. Well, we try to do our best. We try to, because you can read about it, you can watch a video, you can read an ebook about it, but watching somebody pull the trigger live, it's just, I was fortunate. I had my mentors that did that for me, and there's nothing like it. The next level is like coming to watching me on stage or in live trading with you. That's Jeff and I had that experience when he came to Vegas, and we traded. We were 3 days. We were Mansion Mastermind. We have breakfast in the morning and then trade through the afternoon, go back in the evening. People complain because the market is 24 hours a day, and a lot of people came because they wanted to go to the casino or go on the strip or something like that, and we didn't really have a lot of time for that, but people could sneak away when they could. But they're so tired from trading trade London session, then you got to get up in the morning and try to go on a tour somewhere. We're going to resume that. I'll give you the TD to be announced, but we're basically rebuilding the program here, getting back to what made Pip and Run famous, which is live trading. And if you're watching on YouTube, it's probably a little bit delayed. So you probably, are seeing things in, maybe I don't know, maybe a 2-minute or 3-minute delay. But, if you were in the Zoom call, the Zoom room, it's real time. There may be a slight delay. But that's the reason why I went back in 2009 that the brokerage told me to go home and trade from home. And like, going, trade from home? Yeah, because our internet is slow and people are trying to follow you, or clients are trying to follow you. So is your internet connection faster at home than was here? And I go, yeah. So I was working from home back in 2009. I worked from 2009 to 2013 at home. So the COVID thing, people working at home was like, welcome to my world. I've been doing that for like 10 years. And guess what? I still work from home. Look at that. Look at that. There we go. Testing again. Yeah, 1.6 million expansion of that. We need to bust through. Let's bust through. $46. No, I work for $46, Come on. Come on. 5-minute chart. Red candles in the 5-minute. Busts. Breakout. Da, 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 da. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, wick below support. It's like walking the plank. This push him over the edge, I know. That's what we do in Texas, right? You missed. Here we go into our zone. I mean, it does not. I told you that 96 level. Did I call it that 96 level is like trying to, why don't I just move the line out of the way, right? If I move the line out of the way, there you go. There you go. No line. Now you can go. I need a C later. I need A, B, C later. Oh, the wrong way. Ooh. It's almost like it's trying to suck people into a long. I want to recycle this line here. There we go. Go so far, it has to pick up some more passengers. They go so far again. It's flagging. It's flagging out. You get these flags. He's just making all these. Oh, I said flags. Okay. Flags. Flagging out. Ooh. This flag starts blowing like that. The wind's real strong, right? 200 simple moving average. Ooh, we got a bullish candle on the 5-minute. Okay. So we took profit on that long, right? Or then now we're looking for Aussie yen to maybe make one more push. I don't know. It's kind of weird over here. Stacking back up. Don't know if that was our AB. Was that our C? The 1.6 with expansion. If we crack, like I said, we crack 97.07, then we're going to be out of this trade and we're going to flip to the long side. I think we're on the 30-minute chart. Are we hooking up yet? Still doesn't look like soup yet. It's really close to a reversal. I thought we get one more push down into support. 05, 07. Wicking at 07. Oh eight. Okay. We are we'll wait for the next candle. Still oh 07 and oh 07. Be able to close above oh 07. Oh 08. Cut it. Okay. Okay. Well, I had a chance to take a profit there, and we let that profit turn to a loss. Okay. Let's scrap that. Remove all drawings. Okay. All right. So it looks like we've got the start of a rally in Aussie yen. So we're just gonna wait for it to set back up for a long. He's still climbing, but I'm not gonna chase her. We'll wait for a pullback. We'll buy cheap. Now the alarm goes off, right? This is our eight, or was it 819? We had our south side rally and then our rally north. So let's see if we can look for a pullback. 95.10. So we're looking at a buy zone. I'll put the zones up there for you. So in case we get distracted or something, I'm gonna have our we're looking for this is our buy zone, 38% retracement, typical retracement area. That sometimes price will drop into 61% retracement. And the 200 simple moving average is also there as well. Clone that. Oh, no, we're gonna undo that. No. 200. So those are three areas of support we're looking for. And if we are looking for a high, we want to see that 95.30 is up here somewhere. Let me put that in there. Yeah. 95.30. So that'll be our target zone, 95.30. We're looking for to buy on the cheap, looking for a pullback. And yeah, we could have held on to our trade, our short trade. It would have come back, but take a chance of it keeping running, then there you go. So here we go. First test, 95, 95.04. Oh 06 by 09. And got one green candle on at the 23% retracement. I'm going to get long on a break. And then I'll take profit to the edge of the zone. Probably one more push down, right? And the stop loss, the old low, I think it's about 94.94. We were long at 95.04. Actually, 09 because of the spread. It put my arrow right here, but filled me right there. That's the spread. Perfect. They're a perfect entry. That's our perfect entry zone. What's perfect if it keeps going higher? It sucks if it doesn't, right? And if you missed it and you are still interested in getting in, we just move the trend line above. We want to see a green bar break the trend line. And then our take profit, probably 95.30. Stop 94.94. Once we clear above 95.10, we can bring this up, to 95.03. Just the spread is, if you get too close, your stock gets triggered, right? Prematurely. All right, let's go. Okay. So we can take the old high out. Now, if you're on one of our brokers like Plexi Trade or Ox Trade, where the spreads are like 1 pip spread, that's what Kenneth was saying, was less than 1 pip, then you would be in profit by now, right? All right. Now we have an established low, we have an established high, we have a breakout.
Bye, bye, bye.
Right? And then we can take our Fibonacci expansion target from the 3 points, and let's see if it will hold. 100% expansion is 95.18, which would be 8 pips of profit if I were to take it there. If it starts dodging around, I might just take that and re-enter. But no, my theory is that when we have this 30-minute, we got about 5 to 6 hours of upward movement, right? And that's what happened. That's what happened yesterday, right? Once we had that crossover, we had 7 hours of movement to the upside, right? So we could like put on cruise control and not be so hyperactive in our trading. Price returning back to the scene of the crime after a breakout above the high. Usually see a retest, a break and retest. I think it's pretty popular on the internet. Your people talking about the break and retest. Return to the scene of the crime. That's what I've been saying for a number of years. And so we rebounded from the 0 whole number round number area. And now we're moving to that first. Usually it doesn't stop at this Fibonacci 9512, the 61% expansion. I just put it in there as like a marker, like a milestone that you're moving in the right direction to get above that. The juicy Fibonacci expansions are up here, right? And then the quarter lines are always interesting. 25 line, 00 to 25, 25 to 50, 95, 50 is up here, way up here. Oh, yeah. See the 3.236 expansion, 52, 50 to 50, 25, 00. We hit 00 here, 95, 00. Look at all the support in the numbers ending in 00, 9500. Then the next target is 25. Next quarter line is 25. 25 line is like here, which is the 1.6 expansion target, is 28. 25 is here, right? So in the right area. And we put a low in on, we put a higher low, which is slightly bullish. So let's, based on everything that we're saying, see if it works. You move the trend line here. Large pullback, bigger pullback, like shake and bake. Or it could be a bull trap. Wow. Well, that sold off pretty solidly. Down 3.5 pips, 3.6 pips. Looks like a lot because the 15-second chart. And we're approaching the 200 moving average. Well, my short was looking nice now. But that 95.96 was pretty solid. And I think we got a little bounce. Oh. A spinning top. Green candle. We have our trend line, higher trend lines like that. And our first, so we have a higher low. And usually that's indication that structure has changed. Buyers stepped in ahead of the level here. So we'll see if the buyers will bail this out. $95.06 by 08. Aussie yen on our last day of the March Madness live trading challenge during the Asia session. It's been my great pleasure to be with you for the past 11 days. Like Nanette says, it's a great experience. I'm glad you guys are learning. Like one person's learning, But I say, if you touch one life, and it's all been worth it, right? We got maybe our trend correction, A or 1, B or 2. Do we have our C or 3 later to the upside? Breakout would be expected. All right. Stacking green candles. 8:32 is that our 8:30 candle. Usually things happen on the half hour, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. So we got our next candle will be big, important candle will be at 9:30. Oh, sorry, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. There we go. And this is our one, this is our ABC, 1, 2, 3, our expansion. Is it ABC or is it, that's the thing. Will it be ABC or will it be impulsive? That's the question. Riddle me this. This is just getting started. I'll set my 09. Aussie. Yen, the Bank of Japan, loves weakening its currency. Right now, when the Aussie yen is going up, it means the Aussie dollar is going up in value while the yen is going down in value. And there's an interest rate differential too. Australia, there's an interest rate differential that's higher than the Bank of Japan is offering. Now, would you put money in a bank that offers you 0.1%? And probably the answer is no. And that's what the Bank of Japan is offering. So what do people do? They borrow in yen, and then they go over and they buy more higher yielding assets with their yen loans. We can look at all right. We're stacking. We're stacking and snacking. Yeah. Do 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 do. All right. Now we got a green candle on the 5 minute chart. Let's hold that. Let's hold it to the end. Let's see what good will come. So in my market heat map, there is a this is the interest rates, and you can see Japan, their benchmark interest rate, they're giving people 0.5% on their loans, right? On their, and that's if you put some money in a Japanese bank, that's all the interest that you're getting, right? And but think about it, if you're borrowing like around 1%. You can borrow 1%, and you can just pop it in a US bank and get it's like 4.5%, right? So the differential, or you can go to an Australian bank. Where's Australia? Yeah, you get 4.10%, right? So the interest rate differential favors Australia. So you would borrow Australian dollars, they'll borrow Japanese yen and buy and convert it to Australian dollars, and you'd make money, right? Just by sitting on it. And that differential has been around for like 45 years. It was if we can grab 95.30, we're gonna own 0.09. So it's like 21 pips. We're just gonna leave this on cruise control. There is some overhead resistance on the 30-minute chart, comes in right here about the 95.23, right? Which is to get 14 pips during Asia. Not bad. We can. So we hit and look, the 1.618. Look how price consolidated along that line, right? That line was drawn in the future. You're out. Nice. In at 0.114, out at 0.12. Congrats, man. Wait a minute. Where's my Kenneth? Yeah. This stuff will make you a lot of money right here on the 30-minute chart. Okay, we made a high, we made a low. So what do you get? Fibonacci, right? Got one line 23. Where's the 38? Right there. 38. 38 is red. Trend line break, color change. Oh, there we go again.
Bye, bye, bye!
A or one, B or two, C or three later. Boom. One, two, three, four. Nope, a five. 3, 4. 5 takes us here. Extension. High or low. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, I can remove you. All right, you're against quite profitable this evening. I know. Yeah. Let's look. We could take it. Actually, we can take a quick look. Yeah. Good. See something, say something. Oh, look, it fell out of bed there. We could put I mean, what's the 30 going? Oh, wow. Lots of long wicks, man. Wicked. Oh my goodness. Tweezer bottoms. Yeah, that tweezer, those are tweezer bottoms. So two wicks. Bullish. Bullish. Right. If you just took these two, took this low and that high, right to 38, boom, boom. Yeah, that's gonna be. Let me see if I can find an entry on that. Ah, yeah. All right. Oh, it's a little sad. It's it pulled back. See, a 38% retracements right there, 62.98. What's the 5 minute look like? 5 minutes, still green inside the candle and topping out. So you want to get a little bit of a pullback. I'll set an alarm, and if it gets down there, we will come back. Right. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, I'll see you. Where'd you go? Really? Oh, here we go. That was a rebound zone. And let's see if he can start it back up again. Let's go. Yes, going back hard. There's a 200 something moving average there. We're down 1.9 pips, 1.7 pips. Maybe bacon time. Bounce off the 618 and the 200 something moving average. You have a confluence of support. We'll take it. Let's go, Aussie yen. Go, go, go. I think we had B. Oh, A, B, C. We can start our line. Oh, no. Let's go. This is structure. Lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. Now I have higher, high, higher, low. I think we even have an indicator for that. Indicator. Is it there? I don't know if I clicked it. Lower. Doesn't work anymore. Oh, there it is. See, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. Right there. Okay. See, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, high. High. There we go. Right. How does he do it? Oh, lower, high. No, it's gonna be a higher high. Watch it change. Wait, lower high compared to this one. No, it's the same high now. Yeah, double top right there. Double top 9510. You break that. Break that. Break that down. Break that down. Break it down. Break it down. Break it down. Break it up. Break it up. Break it up. Oh man. Hold on. Hold on. Let me go here. Nice. Yeah, Olifonto says that Euro yen is quite profitable this evening. They should be doing the same thing. Let's take a quick peek, pick gander. I don't think my alarm didn't go off. You know what? Let's just go here. In pairs. There. It keeps the universe small and easy to find. Ah, look at that. Yeah. It started. See, higher high, higher low, lower high, low, higher high. Yeah. This is our seems like it's ahead. Trend line break. But usually a reversal happens when we have, so long as we have higher lows, higher high, then we have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, the stair step. Then we reverse higher, lower high, higher low, higher high. Right. Anyway. Oh, I just put 5 of them on there. Oof, oof, oof. Let's go back. Aussie yen. Where am I? I'm trading Aussie yen. Mm. Ah, there we go. Oh, you go. Go, go, go. Ah, my money. I'm sorry. Don't take it, Greg. Oh, I just took it, right? Okay. What you guys think about that? Show me some love. Some 888s in the chat box. Okay. I know I was gonna hold it to the zone. But you know, you're up. I can always get back in, right? 888. Woohoo! I feel that 888 love. The net gave me a party. You know, get a whoop whoop. Can I get a whoop whoop? Raise the roof. Let's go. Back, look back into the maybe our zone. of our value zone between the 13 and 21 moving average. Our value zone. That's our value zone. Oh, oh, I can't use this. It won't let me buy it with this. All right. Trend line break, color change. Not a trade because our stochastics is up here. But yeah, held. See when you let go of a trade from down here, well, now what was your risk? You got all this is this is your risk, right? Unless you like cut it off, you know, and then your risk, you give away your entry. But I like taking pieces and re-entering on weakness. If this is A, B, C, then we should see a break. Green candle next, right? And I hit it. Right. My break even is here. And then my take profit, I'll put it back at the I'll stay this time, right? Stay. That's my boss said. Did you take profit, Greg? Yes. Well, why? You're supposed to let your winners run and cut your losers. And if it goes down and I lose money, then it's so I just pipped and ran, but look back, back in money again, right?
Bye, bye, bye!
See, I'll go hyperactive. See, I would close that, right? Oh, not now. I'm gonna be good. We've got how much time do we have left? I mean, we got 6 minutes left. You should have took it right there, right? That looked 5. Oh my god, I labeled it like right where almost where everything was, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A ah, oof. Okay. That's a real fast ABC. Yeah, go to maybe to the 5-second chart. Maybe the 1-second chart. Ooh, do I have ticks? No, I took a bath. No ticks. You have fleas and ticks. Bird in the hand. That's what bird in the hand makes a messy hand. You ever try to hold a bird in your hand? Ugh. That's like a dead bird, like a chicken. Look at that look at that head and shoulders on the 1-second chart. It's still 8 pip. Look, 07, 07, it's still 07 because it's fractions of a pip. It's not even moving a pip. Because it's fractions of a pip. Ooh, shoulder, head, shoulder. Very hyperactive. 1 second. Head and shoulders is supposed to be bearish pattern, right? However, if everybody sees it, it's not bearish. So people have their stops right here. And then when those stops get triggered, then all the head and shoulders people get flushed out. Oh, well, 0506. Let me go to a higher time frame. Let's see what's going on. 04. Wow, look at that, baby. Okay. It's that long line there. Or 5 minutes. Or 5 minutes turn bearish. Yeah, turn 5 minute. Oh yeah, this is a 1-2. Yeah, all that mess. I'm gonna remove everything. I'm gonna start from scratch. Yes, indecision doji. You know, on the 1 second chart, like, oh my god, it's coming to an end. I was like, indecision. We haven't really gone anywhere. Got a high of 18, low of 02, 18 pip range. Flush out the weak hands. Uh, warning. Did we reach the old? We didn't get to the old high, which is interesting. Usually get that double top unless we got. These, these wicks are so long. Indecision. What is this? What time frame? What's up? 15 second. It should be turning around, right? 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. That's one thing. Ralph Nelson Elliott studied 75 years of price data. And all he had was newspapers and a ruler, graph paper, and he plotted out 75 years. So he had prices. He didn't have Telechart 2000 or trading view charts. He didn't have that. And so can you imagine writing down the prices, the closing price for 75 years? There's probably not a lot of movement back then, but noticing that 5-wave pattern over and over again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, right? Over and over and over again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, right? Over and over again, right? Here you can barely see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, right? But you can see that 5-wave pattern over and over again. Now, once we start trending, then it starts trending down, from a break, and then keeps going from there, right? Oh, so we are higher time frame chart. That 5-minute broke down, so we have our low. So almost did like we did yesterday. Pull back to support, but we're going back down to support. 4949. I got my hand caught in the honey pot. 9-8. Nine eight. Let me get to the lower time frame now. We should maybe see some 9-4. Well, that's the low. I was looking for 9-6, and our short. I mean, we would stopped out and then pull back. Really, okay. So there we go. Bottom of channel support. Where are my indicators? Where's my stochastics? Right. No. There we go. This is the five. Like this is a five-wave move. One, two, three, four, five. Impulsive five, right? So did we have a trend reversal where we just went from five waves up, five sets of five to now five waves down? Did we just switch trend direction? Interesting. Let me get back to the 30. Yeah, this is. I mean, move all the trend lines here. Move all the lines. Right. So we're basically back at support 94, 98 by 99. So I'm looking for a bounce from here from support to where is the arrow? Yeah, arrow. Yeah, so this low holds, then that should be a nice move. Already look at the buyers are stepping in. Yeah, take it up on the other side of this support line. Old support becomes new resistance unless it's a right. Trend line has to hold. This is our demand line right now. Buyers stepping in. It's really weird because it's five waves like this. Okay. Could be a V bottom and this goes straight up, right? Break up on the high. I'll probably put one more on. Okay. On the break. So it's a pretty good entry if you don't have any positions on, and then your stop, you can place your stop just below the low. The low will be 92 or 93. Put like 5 pips below that. That makes it like 94.85 is your stop. 94.85 and you're entered here, well, then your risk to reward is really good. Mine, don't ignore mine, but if you haven't gotten in, this would be a good, let me show you what that would look like. My entry would be there. I stop. So if I got in 98, 85, 85 is my stop. Or like 86 or 87 is my stop. And then look for a move all the way back me to the old high. It's a 1.89 risk to reward, but I really think we would go back here to the old high. Now, I might not do it right now, but probably going into London or Asia session. I mean, the New York session, you could wake up with some nice bit of change. All right, Rod. See you later. See you in class on Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Trend line break. That's a low. Usually we have a higher low, and our stop would be there. I could actually do this trade in another pair, right? What's this? Oh, I can go this one and go this one. Oh, it's not there, right? Well, this one. Well, not there. Okay. Oh, there. Okay. Okay. So this is a new. Oh, when? Nah, go large, right? Right. Then my stop would be at 85, 80 or 80, like 87, maybe. or 86. Okay. And then my take profit, I'm going to put it 95.30. That's how I would set this trade up. Maybe even 25, or 24, maybe just a little off that quarter line, right? And then that way and then your risk to reward, you do that, right? So this is your risk and your reward. So it's a 2.22 risk to reward, right? See how it worked out like that? When you have a low, you've got the low, and we make a higher low, which means the bears are like, hey, man, we're screwed, And you can actually move that up. You can say, look, like that. See, now look at that. The risk reward now is like 4 almost 5 to 1, right? That's a 5 to 1 risk reward ratio. Now you don't make that, one of those trades like that would pay for more than pay for a monthly subscription, right? So that's what if you are interested in, we hope you guys had a great time. You learned a lot, and made some money in the process. And if you'd love to be part of the community for next month, for April, well, then I'm going to put a link in the chat box where you can join me. Is that the right one? I hope so. Yeah. No, not that one. Sorry, not that one. Okay. Who's in charge here? Where's the technical person in charge here? That's the wrong one. No wonder Dirk was asking about that. Jot form. There should be something that says jot form. Oh, blah, 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 blah. 10 minutes. And everything's in the wrong. I got this. You got multiple screens, Greg. March just gets stopped out, right? Okay. Well, going back to the low, right? Ah, when we were stopped out. Well, that was, that's what we do. I mean, risk control. I wouldn't get back into this until we broke the highs, right? This may be over. It's Friday, and Friday in other parts of the world, and that was probably keeps us out of trouble there, right? And trying to go view. Okay. So that is not it. What's going on here? Our shoppers club, more and view. Oh, I did. Yeah, that's it. I changed it. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be 97 fixed for founders. So I did. I put it in the box there. I'm also gonna put it in the YouTube channel in case you guys want to join as well. If you felt this was helpful, right? Hey, Sean's there. How you doing, Sean? Okay. All right. And let me pull up what we did. And I did. Look, all the yen pairs are turned red, right? So let's see what it actually turned. Oh, look at the heat map, right? My market heat map arrangement. Well, everything turned gray, but our yen basket, all of our yen pairs went down and then all the Euro Kiwi and other pairs have gone up. So apparently, like the stock market is going to sell off or something. Let's take a look, because usually the Armageddon pairs tell us that things look bad for tomorrow. Nasdaq's down a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and switch off to it's back there, and let's go to our Asia scalping and pound Kiwi. All right, so all of our pound Kiwi, or Euro Kiwi. Yeah, everything started spiking up there, right? This is 30-minute chart, making new highs. Yeah, so Euro Kiwi, Euro Aussie, and pound CAD, they're all getting started, huh? Right? Yeah. So those are the ones that are, yeah, our end of the world currencies are rallying, and all of our good news currencies are getting hammered. So Aussie dollar may be getting crushed for a possible short. I know these aren't linked, right? So yeah, everything is going back, heading down for the risk on currencies. But there is the link in the chat box for you guys if you'd like to join for April. And if you guys, what do you guys talk about our session? Was it helpful, useful? But it's 9:14, and I'm going to say my farewells, goodbyes. I want to thank you so much for being part of our challenge, and I look forward to interacting with you. You know, if you want to book a strategy call with me, you can also do that as well. You can book a strategy call and see if mentorship is right for you. If you want to work with me on an ongoing basis, you know, we have a few spots available for April starting there. So I'll go ahead and include that as well.
Hey, Dr. Greg, if you can, I copied the link off of that team, so that's what I put up. That's what you saw. I don't know if it's the same, but it's got your link for $97. That's the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. That's all.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thanks, Ken. All right, guys. So, thank you so much for being part of the group. I look forward to working with you, trading with you in our scalping, our Forex Power scalping club. Our club is going to be going on as well for people who get started with us. And tell a friend. Okay. Love you guys. Peace and pips. God bless you. Greg McLeod signing out. Cheers. Have a great weekend.